This is Camp Aska, where positive, life-changing experiences have been happening since 1976.
My Camp Aska Trip by Hannah Raines 5C. I thought the fishing was cool. Even though I did not catch any, I saw some pretty cool fish. The best part about Camp Aska was that I got to be around the campfire with all my friends. I also thought the marshmallows were really tasty. I loved the living stream. I got to see a lot of cool bugs that I have never seen before. The funnest part about Camp Aska was we got to do a lot of fun activities. The best part was the zip line. This Camp Aska trip was amazing, and I will never forget it. Thank you, St. James, for letting us go to Camp Aska. I loved it so
Two
much.
Nights at Aska by Jack 5B. Doing activities and playing basketball in the gym was awesome. For the most part, Camp Aska was pretty hot. We played a spooky and fun game in the cabin. The whole trip was exciting, especially the zip line. Canoeing was so much fun. It was my favorite. Thank you for letting us go to Camp Aska. We had a blast.
My Aska experience. Adventurous. I felt so adventurous on the zip line. It was so much fun. Educational. It was very educational. This boy right here, his name is Lyle. He was the man in charge of forestry. Dirty. I was so dirty. I was in the treasure hunt for crazy hair. Scary. I was so scared when we told ghost stories at night. Exciting. Pretty much everything we did was so exciting. Thank you so much. Y'all are so nice to let us go on a wonderful and environmental and educational trip. I hope St. James brings on this tradition every year for 5th grade.
My 2015 Camp Aska trip. Camp Aska was amazing because we got to see a lot of nature. It was also fun, especially the zip lining. All of the activities we got to do were cool. It was magical how pretty that place was. We also learned a lot. We are lucky to have the privilege to go to Camp Aska.
My Camp
Thank you
Aska
so much.
experience. Camp Aska is awesome because there's more than one activities that I loved. One of Camp Aska's qualities is that it's located by the beautiful Lake Martin. Camp Aska was exotic because there are more than one type of fish and bugs there. My experience was educational because I learned about trees and wildlife. Camp Aska's living stream was very interesting. Thank you to everybody who made this Camp Aska experience possible.
For more information, please visit our website at www.campaska.org.